Good morning and welcome to Disney Magic at Sea UK Day 2. So we're all up and ready for the day and we're really excited. We've had a look at the Navigator app and there's so many activities to do that will slot in around our other pre-booked activities. So this morning we're heading to Lumieres for breakfast, which we're really excited about. That's a sit-down breakfast option, so we'll take you with us and show you what's on the menu and what we select. And then after that there's some meet and greets, there's a couple of different activities like drawing activities, quizzes, we want to get to the open house, then we want some pool time, so we're going to have a pretty jam-packed morning, but we'll take you with us. But we're so excited, look, we're at sea.
Oh my god!
I can't believe it.
Later.
Hello, good morning, family.
Good morning. So we're just in Lumieres, and how beautiful is this? It's just such a nice restaurant, and then look at this mural on the back wall. I'll just get a bit closer. So we've got Lumiere himself, we've got Belle and the Beast, Cogsworth and Mrs. Potts. Oh look, in the lights they've actually got the enchanted rose and the petals falling. Oh, and even the rose is actually on the ceiling itself. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. To start breakfast we had a plate of pastries. It was a chocolate chip muffin, a cinnamon roll, blueberry muffin and pain au chocolat. They were lovely. Oscar was so excited to try the peanut butter and jelly typhoon, and of course he had to go with Mickey waffles and syrup too. I had to have my favourite, Eggs Benedict with Canadian ham. But of course I had to have a side of Mickey waffles as well. I was always going to have those on our first day back in Disney. And finally, Pete had the DCL Express, but without the tomato. So we just finished in Lumieres and the breakfast was absolutely delicious. We loved what we had, and we also met the admins of our Facebook cruise group. So we went over to say hi. So if you're watching, hi Emma and Andrew, it was really nice to meet you and thank you for everything that you've done to help make our trip the best it can be. So now we're going to go to the Kids Club open house to have a look around, and Oscar's very excited. He was practically pulling us from our seats. Oscar, where are we heading to?
Kids Club.
What do you want to do when you get there?
Explore.
You want to have a little explore, like always. What do you think is going to be there?
I don't know.
Are you excited to try the Slinky Dog slide?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Heading to Oceaneer Club now. Oscar is very excited to have a little explore. I think he wants to try the Slinky Dog slide. Wow. Oh look, Oscar, Andy's room. Do you want a picture? A little wander around then, Oscar, so we can see Jessie. This is, I think, Tinkerbell's little Sleepy Hollow. I think Oscar looks like a giant in there because of how they've lowered the ceilings and things.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore.
Wow, look at this Marvel area, Oscar. Look at the Iron Man. Oh wow, Captain America's shield. Are you worthy enough, Oscar, to go and pick it up? I think this is where the arts and crafts would happen, Oscar.
What?
Look at this, this is incredible. And Jessie is standing in Andy's room, and that's the Slinky Dog slide. We can see Pam behind there. We're very jealous of Oscar getting to play in this. It's very cool.
Hello.
Even the bathrooms have cute little theming. Look at little baby Donald there, and there's a baby Daisy. Very sweet. Wow, it's a Marvel frenzy. We've got Captain Marvel, we've got Thor and Black Panther. So we're going to go down and see if we can get a bit closer. Oh look! Black Panther is waving to Oscar and then we can see Thor. It's amazing. So we've just come to O'Gill's for the 10 o'clock Marvel trivia. We've just finished meeting Spider-Man, which was very exciting. So we're excited for the trivia. If you haven't seen it already, then check out my Watching All the Marvel Films, Can I Be Converted series. I absolutely am a converted Marvel fan, so I better do well in this quiz because we literally just blitzed them not too long ago. So what's your confidence level, Oscar?
0.
0? What, you don't think we're going to do very well at the quiz?
Yeah.
Of course we are.
I'm gonna do the worst.
We've got the hive mind of 3. So, and we do also have our expert Marvel movie resident here. So
Hopefully.
I'm fully expecting us to win here. Not that we're competitive in any way, shape or form, but we'll see. We lost. We got 11 out of 20, which given the questions, they were really difficult. We were actually quite impressed by 11, but the winner actually had 17, so well done to them. So we've just ordered some room service for Oscar, just a little lunch snack. So what have you got, Oscar?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders and fries. They look good, don't they? So we're back in Rapunzel's because there is the lantern photo opportunity. Now we have done that before in Walt Disney World, but it's one of our favourite photos, so we're really happy to recreate it, sort of getting up close to 2 years after the last one. So I'll just flip you around so you can see the setup as we get a bit closer. It's really nice actually, really nice photo opportunity I think. And look again, the lantern. The lantern is set up just in the sort of walkway of Rapunzel's, and that's where the photographer is. And then if I just pan round, then it's actually against the painted backdrop, which is really cute. Oh look, Pascal. And then the ceiling, the details on the ship are just incredible. So we just got ready for this evening's activity, so we're going to drop Oscar off where?
At Kids Club.
What are you excited about for Kids Club?
Andy's room bit.
Andy's room, he can't wait to go on the Slinky Dog slide, and I think having seen it at the open house as well, that's just made him very excited, hasn't it, darling?
Yeah.
He's been itching to go, and we're not at our check-in time for it yet, so we'll be leaving shortly. And then Pete and I are doing Martini tasting, so we'll take you with us, but I've heard that the drinks are very strong, so yeah. You can't be drunk at Disney, can you? So, so we'll see how we get on. And then dinner afterwards, which tonight's dinner is at Lumieres, which we're excited about. We've just dropped Oscar at Kids Club. We didn't even get a look back, he was that excited. And we're headed to Keys for our Martini tasting class. So we just walked in and this is on the table, but look at the wallpaper. That's so cute. So I guess we'll see what this is all about. This is the dry Grey Goose Martini, which he's just explained has got no juice in it, it is just alcohol, so...
Okay, how is that one? Dry, bit heavier, yeah, I would say. If you really didn't get used on drinking vodka,
Not a fan of that one.
straight up, this is, you know, it is the way to show you actually that you don't need to order this martini.
I don't like that one. So this is the Diamond Martini, which is gin, vodka and vermouth. It smells strawberry-ish actually, it smells nice. Much better than the first one. So this one is Paris 75 and it's got vodka, peach schnapps, blue chusero, is that how we said it? And pineapple juice. So I think I like this one.
You have a glass of water there as well, so you don't drink a lot.
Yeah, that's much better. Doesn't taste like alcohol.
Because mixing all of those.
This one is a chocolate martini, which he advised was made specifically for the magic. So let's try this one. Yeah, that's really nice. I thought it would taste like Bailey's. It does. Just a little bit. It's not as thick though.
It's not.
That's good though. So we think the martinis have gone to our heads because he just called this a particular name. Pete said it sounded like, oh, is that from Romeo and Juliet? It sounded like Mercutio. It wasn't Mercutio, but now I don't know what it's called. We think it might be Mercutio, but it obviously wasn't. It smells something strong.
The first one, it is probably the most famous
Oh, it does taste like lemonade.
in the world, and it's known.
Oh, that's
they
nice
all
then.
heard about it, limoncello.
It smells stronger than it tastes.
Very
That's nice. So we've just finished our martini tasting and it's definitely gone to our head, which feels really wrong on Disney, in Disney, but so a few facts that I learned today is that the vodka is premium because of the water, not because of the grain that it's mixed with, because of the water, which is an interesting fact for you there. The second fact is vermouth. I didn't know what vermouth was. Vermouth is fortified wine, so that's interesting. And do we know any others? I don't think we have any other facts because... Oh no, there was one.
That's just interesting.
In Prohibition times, the shape of the martini glass was created in Prohibition times because it's really delicate, so that if they were discovered or whatever, they can just throw it on the floor and it shatters into a million pieces and you would never know that people were drinking martinis. So pass on that wisdom from me to you. So we definitely need some food to soak up this alcohol, I think, as well as a child to pick up at some point. So we'll see you in a bit. So we're just in Lumieres again after picking Oscar up from Kids Club, and he had a great time and wants to show you something later. So we'll show you the food as we're ordering, but the menu for this place looks really, really good. What have you got, Oscar? And did they make it especially for you?
Yeah.
Isn't that very kind of them?
Yeah.
Are you going to tuck in?
Yeah.
Come on then. Fill your boots.
I'm waiting for butter on it.
It's got garlic butter on it. Wow, look at that. That looks great, that. The bread service at Lumieres was a French baguette with an oil and garlic and herb dip, which was so good. Then Pete and I both had the duck confit, and that was really good with the baguette. And I also had a second starter of the leek and potato soup because it is my favourite soup. For Oscar's main, he had chicken tenders with fries and a side of veg. I'm blaming this completely on the martini tasting class, but I had two mains. I had the roasted rack of lamb with dauphinoise potato, and also the Chateaubriand fillet steak, served medium with a béarnaise sauce. Pete's main was the congeli pasta with lobster, and it was so good. Amazingly, after all that, I still ordered a dessert. I ordered the apple tart tatin, which was just as good as it looked. Pete had the Grand Marnier souffle with creme anglaise. Oscar, what have you got?
I don't know the name of it.
It's a strawberry shortcake sundae. Is it good?
We've just got back to the room from dinner and we have been left with what looks like a monkey.
No, a sloth.
Oscar thinks it's a sloth. I think it's a monkey. However, he's stolen my glasses again.
Did you enjoy Kids Club, Oscar?
Yes.
What did you do?
Make slime.
Can you show us the slime that you made?
Okay. I put it on a stick because for some reason I had two.
You had two?
Yeah.
Wow. And what was it like to make slime?
It was so gross.
Was it gross but fun?
Mhm.
And did you go down Slinky Dog Slide?
Yep.
What was the best bit about Kids Club?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek with your new friends.
Yeah.
And are you looking forward to going again tomorrow?
Yeah.
We're back from Lumieres, and so far it's been the best food that we've had. It was really, really good, as you can tell from the amount that I ate. And I have to apologise for my face because I've just broken out really badly. So I've taken my makeup off and tried to slather on moisturiser. It's so dry, so I don't know what's caused that. Probably wearing a mask again a lot. But this evening we've got the Dreams Enchanted Theatre show, which we're so looking forward to. So we're going to head over to there soon, and then I think that's it for the night. It's been a really busy day, but again, just another amazing day at sea. We've just come out of the show and it was so beautiful. I cried a lot and Oscar loved it. There was just so much like excitement for the kids. It was just incredible. One of the best theatre style shows that I've ever seen at any of the parks or anything. So yeah, really happy to have seen that. And we're going to see, because the capacity's relaxed again, we're going to see if we can see it again on our last night, because it's definitely worth a second visit. So would really recommend. So we're going to head back up to our room now and get some sleep, because it's been a long but fun day and we're pretty tired now. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially to come back for part 3. See you soon.